How to use YouTube cards. More than a year ago, YouTube added a feature called Cards to let viewers interact with YouTube videos. This video shows how to add cards to your videos and how the user interacts with those cards. This video is in a playlist, and videos in the playlist should be watched in order from the playlist window. To open the playlist, hover over the video, click the circled eye at upper right. Then click the playlist pop-up. You can use up to 5 cards for each video. Each of the cards performs one of these functions: linking to a video or a playlist when the user clicks a pop-up, link to another channel that is not your own, request a donation to a nonprofit on YouTube's list of acceptable nonprofits. A card can ask viewers to take a poll where you supply the title of the poll, the questions, and let the viewer enter choices. The last type of card allows you to insert a link to an approved website, which can be your associated website. But to use the website link, you must be in the YouTube Partner Program, and there are restrictions on who is eligible to be in that program. You can have several cards that perform the same function, for example, to link to several different playlists, and the user then selects which card he wants to execute from a list of cards on a pop-up, and we will demonstrate that as we show you how to create and use the cards. To begin, log on to your YouTube channel, click Customize Channel, click Video Manager, select the video you want to add cards to, click the arrowhead to the right of Edit for that video and click Cards. To add a card, click Add Card. Select the type of card you want to add. We'll put in a link to another of my videos. You probably want to explain in your video that the card's coming up, and then when it shows up, the user will be able to open a particular video by using the card. As I said, you can link to either a video or to a playlist, and we'll begin just by linking to one of my other videos. So let's just say I want to open this video when the card is active. Select it, click Create Card, but before you do that, you have an option here to customize the card a bit. The custom message will appear on the pop-up. You probably want to say something like open the video, because as you'll see, it'll show you the name of the video in the card's pop-up, and then this will just say open the video, so just to reinforce to the viewer that if he clicks it, it'll open the video. The teaser text is displayed at a particular time set when you create the card. Instead of using the teaser text, I usually describe the cards in the video, then tell the viewer that he or she can execute them by hovering over the window while the video is playing, clicking the circled eye, then clicking the card displayed in the pop-up. Let's create the card. Editing the cards. You can click the arrow to play the video, and when it's playing you can click the symbol to pause it. If you don't see the control symbols, if you hover over the video, they will appear. The position of each of the cards is shown by a symbol on the timeline, and you can move them by dragging them back and forth. You can drag the blue progress marker back and forth to play sections of the video. When the playtime equals the position of one of the cards on the timeline, the card's teaser text and the eye both appear on the screen. After 8 seconds, they disappear. It's approaching the second card. When it gets there, again, the teaser text for the second card appears, and so does the eye. You can also make the eye appear by hovering anywhere in the video window. Anytime you click the eye, all of the cards appear in the pop-up window, and you can scroll up and down and select any one of the cards. So I can open this video, or I can scroll up and open the other video. If I had other cards, I could scroll up and down and select any one of the other cards. After clicking the I to open the card pop-up, you can click the X at upper right on the pop-up window to close it without executing any of the cards. And when you do open that other video from the video you're playing, it will open in another browser tab, and to return to your original video, just close the tab. Now we're back in the video that we called the card from. Thanks for watching this Tom's Tech Notes video. If you liked this video, please click like. There are 250 computer and hobby videos on my channel. Please click subscribe and select notifications to receive an email when I add videos to the channel. To visit my channel while one of my videos is playing, click my name, Thomas Wallace, or my photo. Later, you can visit my channel by Googling TOMSTDA.